In today's video, I have Samsung S24 screen replacement. So as you can see, the touch is still working, but there is unnoticeable crack which makes screen touch ghost. So let's change the screen. So I just put on the heating pad already, so it's already heated up. So just put this knife thing and to lift the back glass, so just put this plastic thing, take out the knife or the blade, you say, just move around the edges to remove the adhesive tape from, or detach the back glass from the body, or so it will help you out if you gently heat it up. So as you can see, it's properly removed and no broken, nothing, because it's very easy to break. So you'll find you need a Phillips screwdriver. You'll find a bunch of Phillips screws, so just take all the screws out. So it's time to remove the SIM card tray first, then we will remove the back thing and back plastic and metal stuff. So here we go. So just you need a tweezer to pull up and disconnect this thing, the wireless charger stuff. This is the one part. Disconnect the battery now, and you'll see this is a part, and this the screen connector which is coming from motherboard. And after this, just take out this thing. You'll find the one connector on the motherboard, so you need to remove those things. Here is the charging port, so just put this tweezer and pull up a little bit and you can easily remove those. And sometimes it will give you hard time, so just disconnect it, heat up. So after removing the front camera, and those are the back camera, here we go. So this is a complete charging port, motherboard. This is the battery. So now let's put some rubbing alcohol here on the side and just leave it for a moment. While it's just melting the glue, just take out the front camera. So you'll find the glue, use the tweezer, and here we go. When you just remove the glue on the side, the camera easily will come out. So you'll find this green tape on top of that. So just push and a little bit push up. It will give you need to put some force on it, but you can easily do that when you put the rubbing alcohol. So there is a battery and it's no bend, nothing. So it's time to bring the new screen. So I just ordered this thing, which is service pack we call, which is a high quality. And let's take out from the packing, and here we go. You'll find those packing material. Just remove those packing material first before do anything. So this is on the front camera, so I need to remove this thing, and let's put this thing back, and I need to remove this one too, because I need to put the battery. And when you remove this thing, you'll find the adhesive double-sided tape, so no need to put extra adhesive underneath that. The battery will stuck on it. So just first connect the battery, make sure it's connected, and then place. Here we go. So the battery on the right place, and you'll find everything is aligned on top. So let's put this charging port on the bottom. So you need to wiggle a little bit to make adjustment. Here we go, and just put the SIM tray back. Here we go. So everything is connected, and here is a plastic piece. Here's a plastic piece I have done. So this is oh sorry, I think I just forgot something. So just disconnect this thing. Here is a front camera. So connect the to the motherboard first, and then so after connecting the motherboard, just put this earpiece, and here's a connector of the earpiece you need to connect to the motherboard. So after this is the big speaker, which is come onto the charging port, properly line, and here's a final connector for wireless charging. Put all the screws back, and it's time to turn on the phone. And it was not charging, it has no any juice, so I just plug on the charging. So it's time to put the back is properly aligned. You see but it still needs some more glue. So the touch is working. Let me put the password. I think I have it. Yes, everything is working. If you like that video, thumbs up, share with your friends. See you in the next video.